Hi everyone, in this video I will be show you how to apply dancing butterfly video effect in Capcut. So you can tap on your project, select your video or your photo you like to edit. And I'm going to open my project with the video here and how to add dancing butterfly effect. You are just going to select effect, select video effect, and in the trending you can scroll down until you find the dancing butterfly effect. So here, this dancing butterfly, just tap on it and tap on it again to adjust body option here, body opacity, range, speed, and also filters. So just click check mark and adjust for duration until you finish the video, or just the or just in the certain part. So this is the final effect. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.